Craig Merchant. I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and 37 years old. I've been playing drums since I was 14. I've been in a number of projects. My first project, I was a singer, but after I turned, I'm going to say like 21 or 22, I started playing drums exclusively. My first band as a drummer was actually the band I'm in now, Elephant Gun. But I've also done a slew of other projects, as well as session work in Tucson with a number of solo artists. And now I'm back with Elephant Gun after a while. And yeah, it's been a fun journey. We do progressive rock and alternative rock and just all kinds of good stuff. So I discovered Collision Drumsticks, and that's what I'm currently rocking. I'm using the 5B Reach. I don't know if you can actually read that or not, but yeah, 5B Reach. I really like this stick. After a couple of shows and a few practices, that's usually the test of wear and tear for me, particularly in practices. And as you can see, this falls deep in, and there's barely any chipping or like dents. That's usually it. I could show you some other sticks, and usually this area, I like my rim shots, so usually around here it's chipped away and pretty weak. But not these guys. These guys are holding strong, real strong. It was surprising just how durable these sticks are, which is something that's very important to me. I'm a very hard hitter when I play. I play with a lot of force. I play with a lot of rim shots, and I like to get as much sound out of my snare drum as possible and out of my cymbals. And these definitely get the job done. And I like how they feel. I really like how they feel in my hands. I don't feel like they're going to get away from me. And there's an all-around solid stick. Like, I'm trying to think one particular aspect that really gets me is the length. I like the extra taper it has on it. It's nice and long, and I don't feel like I'm struggling to reach my crash cymbal or my floor tom or rolls. And I do a lot of rolls. So yeah, these are a really good stick, and I highly recommend them to any other drummers, particularly in the metal department, hard rock department, hard hitters. Definitely want to check out Collision Drumsticks. And if you like a longer taper for some extra reach, I definitely go for the Reach. Now they have 5A, they have 5B, and I believe they have like 7A, maybe. And they have all those available in Reach as well as Standard. So this is the drumstick I will be using for the foreseeable future, and I suggest the same for you. If you want a good solid drumstick that you can trust is going to last you a while. And with that said, no more beating around the bush. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. And this next video is by my band. I didn't want to do a cover because I'm not that type of artist. I prefer to do originals. So this next song is off my band Elephant Gun. Our old EP is called In Misery. It's one of the more popular songs from that album, and there's a lot of dynamics involved in the drum work. And so yeah, video from one of our rehearsals doing In Misery. Check it out, and don't forget, get yourself some Collision Drumsticks.